Hello guys, in this video we will learn Litotes. It is a literary device, a figure of speech in which we use opposite of what we want to say plus negation like the words no and not. You will see Litotes in the title of the video. Not uninteresting means interesting. There is an example. If Kamran asks Ashfaq, how was your day? Ashfaq answers, not bad. Then Ashfaq means it was good. There is an example from poetry. St. Coleridge used the line not ungentle in his poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Here, not ungentle means gentle. And there is an example from novel. In the novel Pride and Prejudice, Jane Austen used the sentence she is not a beauty. Here Jane Austen used this to convey that she is not beautiful, she is ugly. Thank you for watching.